Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
I'm still a little hungry.
Me too. Let's try pizza today.
Great idea. I can smell fresh pizza.
It smells delicious. Let's order now.
Hello. I'd like a large chicken pizza.
Can we add extra cheese?
Yes, please.
Do you want mushrooms?
No, thank you. Finally, the pizza is ready. Wow, it's hot.
Be careful. The cheese is melting.
The cheese is melting.
It looks perfect.
Thank you.
What do you think? Can you cook?
Vegetable pasta is my best dish.
Sounds delicious.
We should cook together someday. Great idea.
It's a plan. Today was wonderful.
I enjoyed every minute.
The pizza was excellent.
See you next weekend. See you soon. I'm full, but I still want dessert. Look, there's an ice cream shop.
Good idea.
Chocolate is my favorite.
I like vanilla.
Everything looks fresh.
Let's order now.
I'd like a chocolate cone.
I'll have vanilla.
Extra chocolate syrup?
Colorful sprinkles?
That sounds fun. It smells sweet.
I'm getting hungry.
Let's sit over there.
Nice table. Let's taste it.
Wow, it's so creamy.
Mine is delicious too.
Chocolate is rich.
Vanilla is smooth.
Want to taste mine?
Sure, thank you.
Can I try yours?
Of course. What is your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
I like donuts and pancakes. We should bake together someday.
I'd love that.
Deal!
Today was wonderful. I had a great time.
The ice cream was delicious.
My favorite part was trying different flavors.
Let's come back next weekend.
I'll be here.
See you soon.
Goodbye. I'm getting really hungry.
Me too. Let's find food.
Wow, that smells like fried chicken.
Yes, let's eat there.
Let's go. I'd like a chicken meal.
I'll have a spicy chicken burger.
Can we get a large fries? I also want a cola.
I'll have orange juice. Same here.
Do you like This chicken is crispy.
It's delicious. The fries are hot. I like them.
Try this sauce. It's tasty. I love this meal.
Me too.
I'm very happy.
Me too.
We also need fruits.
And vegetables.
Walking is good exercise.
I agree.
We can do it together.
Great idea.
Let's stay healthy.
I had a great time today.
Me too.
The food was delicious.
I really enjoyed it.
What should we try next time?
Maybe noodles?
That sounds fun.
Goodbye. I'm in the mood for noodles today.
That's a great idea.
Look at that noodle restaurant. It looks amazing. I can smell fresh spices.
I want spicy noodles.
I'll have the chicken noodles.
Spicy beef noodles for me.
That smells delicious.
Let's sit by the window.
These noodles are delicious.
Mine are spicy and tasty.
The vegetables are fresh.
The beef is tender. Do you like Asian food?
Yes, I love it. Fried rice is my favorite.
Mine is ramen. Sushi looks interesting.
We should try it someday.
That's a great idea.
Today was another wonderful day.
I enjoyed every minute.
I'm becoming more confident.
So did I.
What should we eat next time?
Maybe sandwiches. See you in the next adventure.
I feel a little hungry.
Me too.
I smell fresh bread.
It smells wonderful.
Shall we eat there?
That's a great idea.
I can't wait.
Let's go inside.
I'd like a grilled chicken sandwich. I'd like a grilled chicken and a cappuccino.
I'll have a veggie sandwich and an iced coffee.
This sandwich is delicious. The bread is soft.
Mine is very fresh. The vegetables are crispy.
Try a bite. What do you think?
Thank you. It's amazing.
I like it.
We should come back, definitely. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I often eat bread and eggs.
I like oatmeal.
That's healthy.
Sometimes I eat fruit too.
I love bananas and apples.
Do you drink tea?
I had a wonderful time today.
So did I.
The sandwiches were delicious.
And the coffee was excellent. Let's meet again next weekend.
I'll be here. Look at that colorful restaurant.
It looks exciting.
I've never tried tacos before.
Me neither.
Shall we try them today?
Absolutely.
The place is very lively.
I like the decorations.
Let's order now.
Let's go.
I'd like 2 chicken tacos. Can I get extra cheese?
I'll have 1 beef burrito.
I also want nachos.
Great choice. Fresh lemonade. I'll have iced tea. Everything looks colorful.
Let's find a table. Wow, this taco is delicious.
My burrito is amazing.
We should come again.
We should come again. Definitely.
Food brings people together, don't you think?
I completely agree.
Practice helps us improve. Let's keep learning.
Absolutely.
Today was wonderful.
I had a great time.
The tacos were delicious.
The burrito was excellent. Me too.
I learned many new English words.
Me too. See you in the next adventure.